The ultimate DBot platform has a new user-friendly interface with updated features and improved performance. To access the platform, log in with your Deriv credentials. It is 100% safe. The app has read and trade-only permissions. On the Bot Builder tab, this is where you can drag and drop your trading bots or create one from scratch using the blocks provided. The AI Digit Tool tab gives real-time digit statistics, like the highest appearing digit to the lowest appearing digit. It also gives even and odd numbers, statistics, to know which is the most frequent option over a given period of ticks. Down below, there is a manual trading tool where you can manually place a trade on over, under, matches and differs based on your analysis. It also shows the percentage of each possible outcome based on the LDP input. You can click on the buttons to place a trade. The even and odd manual tool displays even and odd numbers sequence, which can be applied in various ways when it comes to manually trading the even and odd trade type. You can monitor the repetition of the even and odd numbers to form a bias of your trade. The Rise and Fall manual tool shows the direction of each tick. More rise ticks increases the rise percentage, indicating price is rising, and vice versa for the fall tick direction. You can apply the tool to know the underlying market direction. On the Analysis Tool tab, you get to access the LDP Binary Digit Management tool, the chart, the Original Analysis tool or the A tool, and the Trading View chart. The A tool has now been updated to monitor and display real-time digit patterns for all trade types. On the pre-saved bots, you get to access proven and back-tested auto-trading strategies. These bots have low-latency trading mode to capitalize on Deriv's platform latency. The bots have adjustable parameters to allow the user to tweak the strategies, assets, and risk level. The bots follow the strategy rigidly, avoiding human biases like fear and greed. Click on either bot to load it to the bot builder. Last but not least, the D-Trader tab. This feature allows a trader to manually trade options on financial markets and 24/7 derived indices, with features like short contract durations and customizable trading parameters. You can either choose to use the Deriv chart or Trading View chart for technical analysis. Here, the digit statistics are fixed to the last 1,000 ticks only. But on the Ultimate Tick Analyzer, you can get tick statistics from 1 to 1,000, providing you with real-time data for fast execution. That was the review of the Ultimate Auto Trading app features. Feel free to go and test them. Tell me what you would like to be added or updated. That is it for this guide. I wish you all the best in your trading.